SPIRE is a proven reading intervention program. Unlike other programs, SPIRE works because of its explicit teacher-led instruction, 10-step lesson plan, multisensory activities, and mastery of concepts. The consistent 10-step lesson plan incorporates all critical areas of reading. Throughout these steps, students engage in a number of multisensory activities. They respond to visual prompts, read and mark text, and work with hands-on activities. Reading concepts are presented in a logical sequence based on language development. Assessment and reinforcement lessons ensure your students master each concept before moving on to the next level. SPIRE is available in print, in a web-based version called iSPIRE, and in a hybrid version that combines print and online components. All three versions have you leading instruction the entire time while working closely with your students every step of the way. In SPIRE Print and Hybrid, students use a workbook and hands-on materials. With the hybrid version, teacher materials are delivered online, whereas in the print version, these materials are provided in a teacher's manual. With iSPIRE, all teacher and student materials are included in the online platform. With SPIRE Print, assessments are written and recorded manually, and students are assessed individually to ensure concept mastery. Both iSPIRE and SPIRE Hybrid digitally record student data and generate reports at the student, class, school, and district level. So which version is right for you? That depends on your classroom and the needs of your students. SPIRE Print and Hybrid are perfect for students who benefit from physical, hands-on activities. SPIRE Hybrid is a good solution for teachers who prefer the organization and ease of use of online teacher materials. iSPIRE works well with larger groups where everyone has access to a computer or tablet. To learn more, visit eps.schoolspecialty.com/spire or contact your sales consultant.